what I told you and what we discussed. If two triangles are similar, then then ratio of areas of similar triangles is equal to ratio of square of corresponding sides, right? This is we have. So if there is a triangle A, B and C, and there is another triangle, there is PQR, right? as sorry as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is given, right? So AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. So ratio of area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square is equal to AC upon PR whole square is equal to BC upon QR upon whole square. This is area of ratio of corresponding similar triangles is equal to ratio of ratio of square of corresponding sides. This is we have relation between areas of similar triangles, right? And then and prior to that, should I rub? Do it. actual is equal to k into model, right? Or you can write model upon actual is equal to 1 upon k, right? So length of model upon length of actual is equal to 1 upon k. Area of model upon area of actual is equal to 1 upon k square, and area of sorry volume of model upon volume of actual is equal to 1 upon k cube, right? This is, or you can write length of actual is equal to k into length of model, ठीक है? Now we have area of actual is equal to k square into area of model, and then we have area of oh again volume of actual is equal to k cube into volume of model. So this is we have, right? This much. Now come to the questions. Can you take the picture of your questions so that just give me that mobile, please. Oh. Yeah, take a picture from last. practice 10 to 12 questions, that is more than sufficient. When you are asking to leave around 3 or 3:30, so I can't do more than that. That is specific time. Okay. You know, it is given you a question. This is question number 24. We have question number 24. So what is that? A model ship is made up of model ship is made up of scale made up on scale 1 is to 200, 1 is to 200, right? So what is the meaning of it? Model upon actual is equal to 1 upon k. So it becomes 1 upon 200. So you can say model actual is 200 times of model. Actual is 200 times of model, right? This is the question we have, and now we have to solve this question. If the length of the first part, if length of the model, if length of model is equal to 4 meter, then length of ship is equal to 200 into length of model, right? So it becomes 200 into 4 times 2 becomes 800 meter. Sorry, 800. Yeah, it is 800 meter. What is your answer? Length of the ship is 800 meter. This is length of ship is 800 meter. This was part 1. Now we come to part 2. What is that? In part 2, if area of the deck of ship, if area of deck of ship is equal to 16,000, is it? No, 1,60,000. 4 zeros are there. 1,60,000 meter square. Then area of deck of model deck of model we have to find, right? So how you do this? So you can write area of deck of model, area of deck of model is equal to area of deck of ship upon k square, right? So what it will be? It will be 1,60,000, 1,60,000 upon, it is 200 times, right? So 200 into 200, right? So two zeros from here, two zeros from here, and it is 16 by 4. It becomes 4 meter square. So area of deck of model is 400 meter square, when area of deck of ship is 1,60,000 meters square. You get this? Check. This is area of deck of model of ship. Is it 4 meter square? Okay. Can I rub this? So I'm going to rub, and then we have another, that is, yeah. So if volume of model is, if this is, part 3, volume of model, volume of model my spelling is wrong, it should be model, right? So volume of model, model of ship is equal to k cube, is volume of model of ship is how much? 200 liters. 200 liters. What is the 1 liter is having how many centimeter cubes? Huh? 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 200 liters is equal to 200 into 1000 centimeter cube. So it becomes 2 centimeter cube, right? This is the volume of model. So, and we know that we know the definition that volume of actual ship is equal actual ship is equal to k cube into volume of model of ship, right? So it becomes how much? So volume of actual ship is equal to k cube, means 200 cube into 2 lakh 2 lakh centimeter cube, right? Or you can write 200 cube into 200 liters, right? So how much you get in that? 2 cube is 8 and we have 6 zeros. So it becomes 80 lakhs into 200 liters, right? So how much you get? It is 16, right? 2 times 8 times 2 becomes 16. After that 6 to 8 zeros, 8 zeros. Or if I put it like this, not like this, 1 comma 2 2, then 3. How many zeros are? 8 zeros. There is 6 plus 2 becomes 8 and 16 liters, right? Kiloliters, if we go in kiloliters, then it is in kiloliters. Meter cube. Why? So 1 meter cube, you know, 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. So this much is equal to 3 zeros. We write here 160 2 2 3 upon 1000 meter cube. So this 3 zeros and 3 zeros are cancelled out. So now we get how many zeros? 5 zeros, right? 5 zeros, it means 16 lakh meter cube is the volume. Volume of, what is your answer? 16 lakh. Volume of actual ship. You get this? I hope you understand. Is it correct? Should we come to next question? I'm going to wrap all this. So question number 23. What is that? A model of a high-rise building is model of a high-rise building is made on scale 1:50, right? So you can write model of building upon actual building is equal to 1/50, right? Or you can write actual building is equal to 50 into model building. Right? This we have. Great. So what next we have to do is, if height of model, part A, if height of model is how much? 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter, then height of actual building is equal to K into height of model. You have 50 into 0.8 becomes 40 meter, right? 40 meter. What is height of actual building? Height of actual building is equal to 40 meter. Is it? What next you have? Floor area Floor area of a flat in building is, second part, floor area, floor area of a flat in building is equal to how much? 20 meters square, right? So area actual floor of area actual floor of building upon K is equal to area floor of flat in model. So it will be how much? Area of 20 meters square, no? So 20 meters, sorry, it is K square. It is K square. K square. So we can write 20 upon K means 50 into 50 is equal to area floor of flat in model, right? So how much it will be? Hmm?
125.
What I want to do basically, 2500 divide 20. We took this one, take 0. We took 0, we take 1 0. Right? If we took 1 0, we take 0. So now 25, 8 times 25 becomes 200. Right? So it is 20,000. Is it okay? 8 times 25 becomes 200. So it is 0.008 meter square. Huh? Is it? So this is how we can get. You understand this? This is question number 23. Hmm? It came in your board's exam also. This, right? Since it comes very close, so maybe it is. So we come to question number 22. Question number 22. What is that? The model of a building is constructed with the scale factor. Scale factor. The scale factor is equal to 1:30. Right? So model oh, model upon actual is equal to 1 upon k, or you can write actual is equal to k into model. Right? Now what it is asking for, the if height of the model, first question, first part, if height of model, height of model is equal to how much? How 80 centimeter. It's 80 centimeter. So height of height of actual building is equal to k into height of model. So it becomes k is how much?
30.
30. So 30 into height of model is 80 centimeter. So it becomes 2400 centimeter. Right? Or you can write 24 meter. It is the actual height of the actual building is 24 meter, when on a scale is 80 centimeter. What is your answer?
24 meter.
So this is the answer for this. So second part is it is asking the actual volume of tank. Actual volume of tank on top of floor is equal to 27 meter cube. 27 meter cube, right? So so volume of model so volume of model of tank is equal to volume of actual tank actual tank upon k cube, right? So it is how much? 27 meter cube upon 30 into 30 into 30, right? So it becomes 27 upon 27,000 meter cube. So 1000 upon 1. So there will be volume of model tank is equal to how much? 1 upon 1000 becomes 0.001 meter cube. You get it? Huh? This is the volume. What is your answer?
1000 centimeter cube.
Volume of model tank is equal to 0.001 meter cube, right? How you will get in centimeters? Could you tell me?
Divide into 1000.
It will not divide, it will multiply.
It will multiply by 1000.
My God. It is 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube. When you do the same here, it becomes 0.001 into 1 lakh. Sorry, it's 10 lakh. 10 lakh centimeter cube. You remove this decimal from here, take 3 zeros, right? So this is gone, 3 zeros are gone, it becomes 1000 centimeter cube, right? So this is also correct, this is also correct, right? Since here it is given, since it is not mentioned in your, since it is not mentioned in your question that in which unit you have to give the answer, but the data is given you in height of the model is centimeters, in centimeters, so we get height in meters, and here volume is given in meter cube, so we find the volume of model in meter cubes, right? And that meter cube converted into centimeters cube, right? That is a different thing, but it is not mentioned in question, so you can leave your question here also, or you convert and bring it to here also. But how you come to know that you have to write this? Because it is not mentioned that you have to find the volume of model tank in centimeter cubes, right? Yeah, length of the or height of actual building in meters, it is not mentioned. So how you will decide? You have no method to decide. You have to do with your own intelligence, because this data seems to be big, quite long, so bring it slow, squeezed. 2400 centimeter and 24 meter gets small and more convincing. Similarly, here it is 0.001 meter cube and 1000 centimeter cube. It's quite easy to read in comparison to 0.001 meter cube or 1000 centimeter cube, right? 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter, so it turns to be 1 liter. 1 liter tank of model, right? I hope you get that. Huh? This was question number 22. Great.